Hello beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the best facial oils for your skin type. I know some of you think that using facial oil on the face is crazy because maybe you have an oily skin or you have an acne prone skin and you're like, why should I still add oil when my face is producing enough oil? It sounds crazy, right? But I have to tell you that using facial oils on your skin is very important. I'm going to go into the different skin types and then recommend the type of oil that you can use on your face that is suitable for your skin type. And the first on our list here is the oily skin, the crazy one, right? I know most of you think that if you have oily skin, you don't need to apply oil on your face again. No, that's not true. There are actually oils you can use to apply on your face if you have an oily skin. It means your skin is producing excess sebum, which makes your skin to be oily. The type of oil that is suitable for this skin type is oils that penetrate faster into the skin. That is oils that has a low comedogenic factor, which means it's not going to clog your pores. It's not going to just sit on your skin, but it's going to get absorbed into your skin. Using the right oil for your oily face is not just going to act as an astringent to get rid of excess grease on your face, but it's also going to help stabilize the production of sebum on your skin. One oil that you can use if you have an oily face is jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very lightweight. Jojoba oil is a lightweight and breathable oil which helps to break down sebum production and also helps to control shine on your face. Another oil you can use if you are in this category is the grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is also lightweight and it penetrates faster into the skin, which means it's not going to stay on your skin surface to clog your pores, which may cause breakouts. Grapeseed oil is a natural astringent which is more drying than the jojoba oil. It's going to help mattify your face, get rid of the excess oil, and then still provide the much needed moisture for your face. I also recommend you go for the grapeseed oil if you have an extremely oily face, dry skin. Now this is the skin that needs a lot of moisture, hydration in order for it to stay plump and beautiful and cracked free. Dry skin loses moisture faster into the skin than any other skin type. It needs oils that is going to help lock in moisture and provide that plumpiness to the skin. The type of oil that is recommended for dry skin is almond oil. Almond oil is a medium weight oil. It's not going to feel greasy on the face, and at the same time it's not going to absorb into your skin very fast. This is going to give your skin enough time for it to form a barrier between yourself and the environment, which is constantly drawing out moisture from the skin. Another oil you can use if you have a dry skin is the marula oil. This oil absorbs fast into the skin, but it also leaves enough residue on your skin surface, which is enough for it to moisturize and calm your dry skin all through the day or night. And this is because it has heavy dose of fatty acid in it. Acne prone skin. Now this is the skin type that you may feel it's crazy to even get oil close to it. That's because oils clog the pores, yes, it causes more breakouts, yes, but then using the right oil for your acne prone skin is going to not just help you get rid of your acne, but it's going to help get rid of acne scars on your skin as well. Acne Safe Face Oil works to nourish your skin in order to make sure that it heals the zits that you have on your skin without causing any breakout. The type of oil that is suitable for the skin is rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is very lightweight and it helps to treat angry zits on the face. This oil deeply hydrates the skin with fatty acid that also helps to fade acne scars and reduce redness. Another oil to use is the pomegranate oil. This oil is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. It helps to fight disease-causing bacteria in your pores while also calming inflamed skin. And it is also incredibly lightweight, so you're not going to have this greasy feeling on your face when you use it. It's just going to be absorbed into your skin in a very nice way. You can go ahead and massage this oil at the end of your skincare routine into your skin. That is because you use oil as the last ingredient, so it will allow the other ingredient to penetrate into your skin. That is because oil penetrates into the skin at a slower rate than other skincare products. Normal skin. Now this is the skin type that doesn't have so many issues. They are just like, people with normal skin types are like so blessed, and I am one of them. I have a normal skin type, and yeah, that doesn't mean that I don't break out once in a while. Like I won't even call that breaking out, because it just pops up maybe here or here, and that's all. Normal skin is less dry, less oily, and it's just in between. So less oil is needed if you have a normal skin type. You can simply mix 2 to 3 drops of these oils. You can simply mix 2 to 3 drops of this oil into your night moisturizer. Argan oil is recommended for this skin type. Argan oil is rich and soothing and sinks really quickly into the face. It is also very rich in vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps to prevent dark spots, wrinkles, and fine lines by simply blocking environmental damage. You can simply massage a few drops into your skin at the end of your nighttime routine or your daytime routine to get the best benefit out of it. Sensitive skin. This is the type of skin that needs a lot of care, needs a lot of soothing ingredients. You need ingredient that gives you that cuddly and cool feeling. That's because sensitive skin can react to almost anything. But then there are still oils that are recommended for sensitive skin type, which is going to help soothe the skin and also provide the much needed nutrients for the skin. However, whatever oil you choose for your sensitive skin, you will have to do a patch test first by either applying a little amount under your chin or the back of your ear. Leave it to sit for 24 hours and then watch out if you are going to react to it. If your skin doesn't react to it, then you are good to go. You can go ahead and massage this oil onto your face in the morning, night, or both morning and night. Examples of oil recommended for sensitive skin include moringa oil. Moringa oil is packed with lots of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and fatty acids that helps to repair a dry, damaged skin. The inflammatory properties of this oil helps to soothe the skin, and the antioxidant properties of this oil helps to protect the skin from irritating free radicals. It is lightweight and yet moisturizing enough even if you have a dry skin. The next oil is the aloe vera oil. Just like the moringa oil, aloe vera oil is loaded with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, but then it has a bonus to it. It is a natural antibacterial and astringent, which makes it a powerhouse for sensitive skin. Making it a powerhouse for sensitive skin which is also oily or acne prone. I'm going to leave the links to the oils that I've mentioned in this video so you can go check them out. So if you are thinking that your skin doesn't need oil anymore because you are probably using a moisturizer, then you have to think again, or maybe because your skin is already producing excess oil, then you will have to reconsider that, because your skin actually needs these oils. Because, for example, most of the products for acne prone skin are very drying, which strips your face of the natural oils that it produces, leaving your face very dry. So using oil is going to help replenish the lost natural oils that was stripped away using acne treatment product. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel on your way out if you've not done so already. Give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my socials, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.